School dialogue, school conversation. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, teacher. How are you today? We are fine, thank you. I am happy to hear that. It's so great to see you again. Who can tell me what day is it today? Today is Monday. Very good. What date is it? It's March 24th. Speak louder, please. I can't hear you. May I come in, teacher? Yes, you may. Go to your place. Thank you, teacher. Open your book to page 15. Let's read a text. Teacher, may I ask you a question? Yes, please. What does that word mean? Listen and repeat after me. Environment. We are listening, teacher. Write down this lesson. I don't have pencil. Can anyone share with me? Yes, you may. Nancy, please come to the blackboard. Okay, teacher. Write down the days of the week on the board. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Well done. You may go back to your place. My mother prepared me for this test. That's really nice. Please be quiet. Stop talking and pay attention. I am sorry, teacher. I dropped my pencil case. It's okay. Please pick it up. Teacher, can I clean the board, please? Sure, you may. It's break time. Goodbye, students. Goodbye, teacher. Break time is over. Let's go back into the classroom. Teacher, we will have the test tomorrow? Yes, you have the test tomorrow. I have some issue about this math problem. No problem. After this period, I'll teach you again. Thank you, teacher. You are best teacher. Teacher, our exams is round the corner. Can you give us some instructions? Certainly, but at first, get rid of your mobile. That is a major distraction. Okay, teacher, I am not gonna use my mobile. That's really good for you. Welcome to Kids Education channel. Do like and subscribe my channel.